How to remove Insta ID from another phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can remove your Insta ID from another phone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to remove your Insta ID from another phone, all you have to do is go ahead and then basically launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram application, you're going to be able to see this type of interface, right? Now what you want to do is, if you want to remove your Insta ID, you have to come to the profile page, tap the three lines option, go to account center. Once you go to account center, go to password and security. One way you can remove account or your ID from another phone is by simply changing your password. So you can tap the change password option here and then change your password, and when you change your password, everyone who is logged in will be automatically logged out. But if you want to review the devices manually, you can tap the where you are logged in option here, and then you will be able to see a list of devices logged in to your Instagram account, and then you can select a particular device, tap the logout option in order to log out of those devices. This way you'll be able to remove Insta ID from another phone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.